Yesterday I started this direction sense problems and yesterday means last class 7-8 problems I solved. Let me continue the class today. Remaining problems. Look at the next question, sir. Ramesh walked 3 kilometers towards west and turned to his left. And walked 2 kilometers. Then he turned to his right and walked 3 kilometers. And walked 3 kilometers. Finally, he turned to his right again and walked another 2 kilometers. In which direction is Ramesh from his starting point? This is my question. Look at the problem what we have. Ramesh walked 3 kilometers towards west and turned to his left, walked 2 kilometers. He then turned to his right and walked 3 kilometers. Finally, he turned to his right and again walked another 2 kilometers. In which direction is from his starting point? This is our question, sir. Let us see. First left turn, then right turn, again right turn. So one left and 2 right turns the question is having. 1 left and 2 right turns. Look at this, as I told you in the last class also. First rough figure. This way you take up north, right, left. This is east, left, right. This is south, again left, right. This is west, left, right. This is the rough figure, sir. You can draw in the examination also on your question paper, because some space is provided on the left hand side. For every problem you have margin. So to have an idea or to avoid any type of mistakes in the exam, you draw this way. Now let us see. This is for you solution. Now look at this. Ramesh walked 3 kilometers towards west. Let us see. 3 kilometers towards west. Starting point is the center. From the center, he started moving towards west. Then turned to his left. Immediately concentrate here. What is the left hand side of west, sir? Which side we have? South is the left of west. And walked 2 kilometers. Let us take this is 2 kilometers, means right now this fellow is towards the south, facing towards the south. So left over, this is left turn, first one. First left turn is over and walked 2 kilometers. He then turned to his right. Look at this, which for south, what is the right hand side? Which side is on the right hand side? West is on the right hand side. Therefore take a right turn. Right. This is right turn. So left turn is over, right turn is over. Walked 3 kilometers. Walked 3 kilometers. Finally he turned to his right. Turned to his right. What is the right of? What is the right of your west? North. What is the right of west? That is towards north. Look at this figure. When you are walking towards west, turn to right means you are moving towards north. Walked another 2 kilometers. Walked another 2 kilometers. Let us take. In which direction? In which direction is Ramesh facing? Look at this, sir. After watching 2 means this side is coinciding. This is the starting point of Ramesh. Now which side he is? Where he coincided, this is west. Now from the starting point, if I see where he is on the west. So your answer is west. Your answer is west. Look at the solution one more time, sir. Very simple. This diagram will tell you everything, which side you have to turn. Ramesh walked 3 kilometers. Look at this. This is the starting point of Ramesh. Walked 3 kilometers west. 3 kilometers west. Now after walking 3 kilometers, he turned to his left. So left turn. This is left. First. Left turn. So which side is to the left of west? Which side is to the left of west? South. So Ramesh is walking towards the south. And how many kilometers he walked, sir? 2 kilometers he walked. And after that he turned to his right. Right hand side of south is again west. So this is his right turn. This is his right turn. Now he is moving towards the south. Now he is moving towards the south. And walked 3 kilometers. After walking 3 kilometers, means after walking towards west 3 kilometers, finally he walked another right and walked another 2 kilometers. Left turn is over, right turn is over, again right turn. Right turn means again towards west. Look at this, sir. This is his starting point where he is standing now. What is the position of Ramesh? He is on the west. So answer is equal to west. Okay. Note down the solution. Okay, sir. Let us go to the next question. Question number 2 for today. Question number 2 for today. It's continuation of last class or direction sense. Deepa starts walking. Deepa starts walking north towards, and after a while she turns to her right. She turns to her right. After walking some distance, she turns to her left. She turns to her left and walks a distance of 1 kilometer. She then turns to her left again. She then turns to her left again. In which direction she is moving? In which direction she is moving? This is my question. Look at this. Deepa starts walking north towards, and after a while she turns to her right. After walking some distance, she turns to her left. So look at this, where she took her first turn right. Then after that she takes left and one more left. So there is one right turn in her journey and two left turns she is having. Now sir, you have to identify in which direction she is moving. As usual, north, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. This is west, this is east, this is north, and this is south. Now very simple question. Now let's see the solution, sir. First, after reading the question, underline how many turns are there. First one is right turn, then left turn, and again left turn. Total there are 3 turns are there. Starting point for us, this is starting point. Deepa starts walking north. Deepa starts walking north towards, and after a while she turns to her right. Right hand side of north is east. Right hand side of north is east. So first right turn is over. First right turn is over. After walking some distance, she turns to her left. Left. Left side of east is again north. Left side of east is again north. Now she starts walking towards left and walks a distance of 1 kilometer. Let us take 1 kilometer. She turns to her left. She turns to her left. Left hand side of north means this way. She turns to left. Again, in which direction she is moving? In which direction she is moving? Look at this, sir. Which direction she is moving? Her face is towards west. Answer is west. You can take up this. After traveling, after walking some distance, how many kilometers it is not given. Therefore, you can take this way, cross this line. So this is north, this is west, this is south, and this is east. So which side she is walking now? Towards west. Answer is equal to west. See the solution one more time, sir. Deepa starts walking north. Walking north. So this is the starting point. She started walking towards north. After a while, she turns to her right hand side. Look at this small diagram here for your reference sake. Right hand side of north means she turned towards east. So this is east. This direction is east. Now one right turn is over. After walking some distance, she turns to her left. Left hand side of east. This is left turn. She took a left turn. Second point is also over. And walks a distance of 1 kilometer. Here the distance is given. She then turns to her left. Left hand side of north means towards west. Left hand side of north is which one? West. Left hand side of north is which one? West. Again I am repeating. Left hand side of north is what? West. Well, while she is walking towards north, take a left turn. Left turn this way. She turns to her left. She turns to her left this way. Left hand side. So Which direction she is now moving? She is moving towards west. She is moving towards west. That is the answer to the given question. Left, again this is left. So 3 turns are over, sir. 1 right turn, 2 left turns. 1 right turn and 2 left turns. So this is the answer. She is moving towards left. Okay. Note down the solution, sir. I am giving 1 minute time. Now, next question, sir. Now look at the next question. Question number 3 for today. Raman starts walking. Raman starts walking in the morning. In the morning, facing the sun. Facing the sun. After some time, he turned to the left. He turned to the left. Later he turned to his left again. Later he turned to his left again. One left, again one more left. In which direction is Raman moving now? In which direction? In which direction Raman is moving now? Raman is moving now. This is my question, sir. Let's say Raman starts walking in the morning facing sun. So rough figure as usual before starting for the solution. This is north side, right left. South side its mirror image, left right. For east west is the mirror image. Therefore it is right and it is left. West is the mirror image of east and south is the mirror image of north. Now main picture, sir. Main picture. Raman starts walking in the morning facing the sun. Facing the sun means he is walking towards east. He is walking towards east. After some time he turned to the left. When you are moving towards east, walking towards east, left of east is equal to north. Left of east is equal to north. First turn, left turn. So he is now moving to the left. Later he turned to his left. He turned towards his left. Look at this. North. Left side of north is west. Again one more turn left. One more turn left. Two lefts are over. In which direction he is moving now? He is moving towards west. This is west side. This is east side. This is north. This is south. Now beta, anybody can give the answer after drawing this. When this picture is clear, now this is clear. Just you have to underline while reading the question how many turns are there, so that it will avoid any type of confusion in your brain. So answer is equal to west. Answer is west. Note down the question and the solution also. Now, let's see the next question, sir. Let us see the next question, question number 4 for today. Question number 4. A starts walking. A starts walking towards north. Towards north. Turns left. Again turns left. Again turns left. Turns right again. Turns right again. Turns right once again. Turns right once again. Turns right once again. And then turns to left. And then turns to left. In which direction? In which direction? In which direction is A walking now? In which direction? In which direction A is walking now? Now look at this, sir. One left here, one left here, one right here, and one right here, and one left. Total 5 turns are there in the journey of A. How many turns are there? 5. Again, rough figure to avoid any confusion, better. This is north. And this is west. This is always compulsory before drawing the main diagram to avoid any type of confusion. This is the starting point. This is the starting point. A starts walking towards north. A starts walking towards north. Towards north. Turns left. Left of north is west. So left turn, first left turn. Again turns to left. Now west, left side of west is south. Left side of west is south. So one more left turn. Turns right. Even you can take a right turn this way, this is right. Right hand side of south. Right hand side of south is west. Right hand side of south is west. So this is first right turn. Right hand side of south is west. So first right is over. And it turns to right once again. Turns to right once again. Right hand side of west means he is moving towards north. Right hand side of west means he is moving towards north. He is moving towards north. After that, this right also over, finally turns to left. Right turn, this is again a right turn. So he is towards north. Again he took a left turn. Left of north means towards west. Left of north means towards west. This is left turn. This is west, this is south, this is east, this is north. Now tell me, sir, how simple it is. Which side is, in which direction is A walking now? Towards west. So answer is equal to west. Answer is west. Even if you commit a minor mistake, erase. Just to practice, beta, this is nothing, very simple. 1 or 2 times, or sometimes you intentionally commit a mistake, then rectify that error. Then in the examination, you don't commit the same type of mistake once again. Okay? Just to practice, it is nothing but a practice. Look at this. A starts walking towards north. So this is A. Starts walking towards north. After that he turns left. Immediately come to this small diagram. Which one is? The left of north is which side? West. So he moved to west. Next. Again turns left. Left side of west is who? South. So he turned to one more left. So this is left turn, means he is moving towards south. 2 lefts are over. Turns right. After walking some distance, right hand side. Right hand side of south is which side? West. So this is west. So one right turn is over. And again turns to right. Now look at this. Which side is towards the right hand side of west? North. So again north side. Finally he turns to left. Left side of north is who? West. So he is walking towards west. Okay? Note down the solution. Now, next question. Next question. Question number 5. X walks towards the south. Towards the south. And then turns right. And then turns right. Then left. Then left, and then right, and then a right. In which direction? In which direction is he moving now? Is he moving now? This is the question. X walks towards south. But before proceeding for the solution, north, right, left, south, left, right. Now let us go to the main picture. Let us go to the main picture. Starting point. X walks towards south, towards the south, and then turns to right. Right hand side of south is west, so he turned towards west. This is first right turn. This is first right turn. Then left. Left hand side of west is again south. This is left turn. Left turn, and then right. Right hand side of south is west. So this is first one is right, then left, then right. So this is right. Now which side he is walking? Now This is which sides are west? Answer is equal to west. Answer is equal to west. Look at the solution. X walks towards south. So X walks towards south. And he took a right turn. Right hand side. Right hand. For south, right hand side is west. So he started moving towards west. Then he took a left turn. Left hand side of west is again south. Left hand side of west is again south. And after that he took a right turn. Right hand side of south is nothing but west. So which direction is walking now? West side. This is the answer. How simple it is. Okay, beta? Note down the solution. Now, next question. Next question. A man started to walk, question number 6. A man started to walk east after moving a distance. After moving a distance. After moving a distance, he turned to his right. He turned to his right. After moving a distance. After moving a distance, he turned to his right again. He turned to his right again. He turned to right again. After moving some distance. After moving some distance, he turned in the end. He turned in the end to his left. To his left. To his left. In which direction was he going now? In which direction? Is he moving now? No. This is north, sir, right, left. This is south, left, right. This is east, left, right. This is west, left, right. Now, sir, let's go to the main picture. Let's go to the main picture. A man started to walk towards east. So this is the starting point towards east. After moving a distance, he turned to his right. So, right hand side of east is south. This is first right. Only 3 turnings are there. First right is over. After moving a distance, he turned to his right. So right hand side of south is west. Right hand side of south is west. So now he is facing towards west. Second right also over. Second right is also over. After moving some distance, he turned in the end to his left, in the end to his left, left hand side of west is nothing but south, left hand side of west is nothing but south. This is left turn, this is left turn. So in which direction he is moving now? Answer is equal to south, answer is equal to south. Look at the question, sir. A man started to walk east, so this is the starting point. Towards east he is moving. After moving a distance, he turned to his right. Look at this small picture. This is for idea picture. Right hand side of east is south, so he turned towards the south. He turned towards the south. After moving a distance, he turned to his right. So right hand side of south is nothing but west. Right hand side of south is nothing but west. After moving some distance, he turned in the end to his left. Left hand side of west is again south. So answer is equal to south. Okay, note down the solution. Okay, next question. Next question. Next question. I drove east for 5 miles, then drove north 3 miles, then turned to my left, and drove for 2 miles, and again turned to my left. Turned to my left. Which direction am I going now? Which direction am I going now? This is my question, sir. Same story. Now what I am doing, sir? I am moving towards east. What I am doing? I am moving towards east for 5 miles. Let us take this is 5 miles. Then moving towards north 3 miles. Moving towards north 3 miles. This is 3 miles. Then turn to my left. Left hand side of north is west. Turn to my left for 2 miles. And again turn to my left. Turn to my left. Turn to my left. Left hand side of west is south. Which direction I am moving now? Which direction I am moving now? Look at this, sir, very simple. South is the answer. Look at this. What I am doing? I am moving 5 miles towards east. So I travelled a distance of 5 miles towards east. Then I took a turn towards my left hand side, that is north side. Then again 3 miles I moved. So 3 miles moved. After moving 3 miles towards north, again I took a left turn. Left hand side of north is west. So I am moving towards west. Now after that again I took a left turn. Left hand side of west is south. So again I started moving towards west. Towards the south. Which direction I am moving now? I am moving towards south. That is the answer to the question. Okay, note down the solution.